Imagine a small entrepreneur in Pune dreaming of starting a textile business. Back then, he'd moved to borrow at 12 to 14% interest from Indian banks, but now he can snag a loan from Singapore or the US at just 5 to 6%. Yes, I'm talking about ECB norms, external commercial borrowings. On February 16th, 2026, the Reserve Bank of India totally flipped the game for the Indian businesses. Now, even the tiniest startup can grab the foreign loans. So, what exactly is an ECB? It's when an Indian company borrows money from abroad, from say US, UK, Singapore, wherever. Now, think about it that if you need cash for your business and Indian rates are sky high, why not get a cheaper loan from overseas? That's a smart move. So let's learn the changes. The first big change, who can get these ECB loans? Before, only selected big companies qualified, but now any resident entity, any company, LLP or trust registered in India, leaving out the individuals, can borrow from abroad. The doors are wide open. Next, who can lend the money? Previously, just approved foreign banks or institutions, but now any non-resident foreign banks, companies, even IFSC entities can lend. Next, how much loan? The old limit was USD 750 million. Now the new limit is USD 1 billion or 300% of your net worth, whichever is higher. Big businesses can now raise massive capital easily. Next, MAMP, minimum average maturity period. How long must the loan last? Previously, it used to be very confusing, 3 to 10 years, but now one simple rule, 3 years. For manufacturing companies, it can be as short as 1 to 3 years, up to USD 150 million. Next, all-in cost ceiling, gone. RBI used to cap interest rates. Don't pay more than this. Now, no cap. The market sets fair, flexible rates. Next, enhanced currency flexibility. You may borrow in foreign currency or INR, need to switch mid-loan, no problem. Total flexibility. Next, where can you use the ECB money? Tons of old restrictions like no real estate are relaxed. Now it covers infrastructure, mergers, acquisitions, and more. Finally, reporting made easy. No more monthly headaches. It's now event-based. Fill the form only when you use the money. Done overall for the average person. This means cheaper capital, faster growth, and more jobs. Hope you all like this video. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ravneet Knowledge Bites, where I tend to share a short bite that lends you a powerful insight. Thank you.